Here again, in this video, we are detecting contours, basically the outlines of the objects and calculating their properties. First, we import the CV2 library. Then I load the image using the cv2.imread function. Then, and convert it into grayscale using this entire function. Now, I apply the binary thresholding with the maximum value of 127 and turns it gray at 255. This turns the image into pure black and white, making it easy to find the contours. We find the object boundaries using the cv2.findcontours function over here. It returns a list of contour points. Then we loop through each contour using this for loop. Inside the loop, I draw each contour in green. So I've mentioned the BGR format where I've only written 255 for the green, and I also calculate some useful metrics, that is the area, perimeter, aspect ratios, and react rectangle area basically. Then I show all these values and I print them, and then I finally use the IAMShow function to display the image and with the contours. Let's execute this file first. This has given me all the contours with the calculations of their area, perimeter, aspect ratios, etc. Well, that's how one can analyze object shapes, and this is great for object detection or measurement tasks. Thank you.